Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Montbretia. I am here to take the class for English Literature Standard 6. Already we have started the chapter. The chapter is Meeting Suzanne. In this chapter, we have learned that Yannick, a small boy, he did a mistake for which he was scolded by his cousin Amandine. When Amandine was scolded by her father, Mr. Bruno, she went to her room and started crying. Yannick went to her and said sorry. And then Yannick came back to his room. And he decided that he will give Amandine the sketch. But how is that possible? He couldn't sleep the whole night. Early morning, he went to Suzanne's house. And then he asked Suzanne to draw a sketch for Amandine. Suzanne couldn't understand who Yannick was. So he asked him, and then Yannick explained everything what had happened. Suzanne agreed to help Yannick, and then he asked Yannick what type of drawing he wanted him to do. Yannick said that he wanted Suzanne to draw the painting of sailing boats. Mr. Suzanne, he did the same way. He drew the paintings of sailing boats. And then something Yannick noticed in the painting. What was that? He noticed that Suzanne, the signature he gave, it was not of Suzanne. The signature is of Picasso. Who this Picasso is? He understands that the Picasso is one of the most famous painter of the world. He is a big sculptor and a painter, and he is considered to be one of the greatest painter of 20th century. So now we have understood that Suzanne is not an ordinary person, or he is not an ordinary man. He is basically the big painter of the world. So this is the chapter all about. In your next class, I'll start with your notes. So you should get ready with your copy. And for today's, your homework will be read chapter 1. Thank you.